The art of sway in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a versatile word in the English language, sway. By the end of this video, you'll understand its various meanings and how to use it in different contexts. Let's get started. Sway can be used as a verb which primarily means to move or cause to move slowly or rhythmically back and forth or from side to side. Examples: the trees were swaying in the wind. She swayed to the music at the concert. As a noun, sway refers to a rhythmic movement from side to side or a control or influence over someone or something. Examples: the sway of the ship made some passengers feel seasick. The mayor has a lot of sway in the city council. English speakers often use the word sway in idiomatic expressions. Here are a couple. 1. Hold sway. To have power or a very strong influence. Example: 2. Traditional values still hold sway in many rural areas. 3. Under the sway of, being controlled or greatly influenced by someone or something. Example: 4. The media seems to be under the sway of large corporations. Understanding synonyms can give us a broader view of a word's meaning. Some synonyms for sway include: for the verb, rock, tilt, oscillate; for the noun, influence, control, command. That's a wrap on the word sway. Now you know its different meanings and how to use it in various situations. We hope you found this explanation helpful, and that you'll confidently sway in your English conversations. Happy learning!